Hi friends, this wonderful website presents a very unique category WordPress theme for landscaping. So this is the theme for garden industry and landscaping, and it is of course a rare category on this channel, but I found this theme really wonderful. This is why it has been selected to be on this channel. And in this video we have a great landscaping garden landscaper WordPress theme, and this theme has been made by Van Tam and they are Power Elite authors. So if you are in plan for making a website and for the landscaping, this is going to be your final choice. This is a great theme of course, and the theme wonderfully suits for florist, landscape architects, gardeners, landscapers, groundscapers or other landscaping and gardening related businesses. So this is a very niche category WordPress theme, and it was developed in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we have landscaping garden landscaper WordPress theme in this video, and we are going to install this theme and watch the demo import option and theme customization options as well. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 default WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, the child theme file and the main theme file, and the readme text file also is here. Let us begin the installation. We have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, and there is something error in my WordPress installation. Let me fix it first. Okay, click on upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose landscaping Vantam landscaping.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. It will save some time and I'll be able to show you the theme file size as well. So theme is well optimized of course, and it is just having 9.92 MB in size, and both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload using this WordPress interface or you can directly upload on the server. So I have chosen to upload on the server, so don't repeat, both activities are same, don't get confused, and let it be uploaded first. So we will move for next after that, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Vantam landscaping folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one we have already extracted, and now we are fine to go in the theme section again, and now we have landscaping and another theme option. This is landscaping version 9 by Vantam, and the ultimate niche WordPress theme for landscaping gardening industry. Okay, so we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page, and it needs registration first. So let me do it, and my license can be used on a single website, and this is only a demo video which I am making for my channel. So I'm not going to use my license because I have to use that on a live website actually, and this is only a demo domain, and it is saying that it can be used for single domain and application only. So I'm leaving this video incomplete, and so as for now it has no demo data and plugins, and this is the core basics has been installed for landscaping. And what I'll do, so once I complete my actual domain registration for which I have got this theme, I'll add that video. I'll make another video and add that video in this. For the time being, this video remains incomplete. I'm sorry for this. So keep watching. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Don't worry. Thank you.